What's up guys, and welcome to Web Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove your Google account from your PS5. Now, if you had linked your Google account to your PS5 and you no longer want that, or maybe you want to link a different YouTube account to your PS5, you first of all have to unlink the previous one so you can link the new one. So for those two reasons, you might want to remove or unlink your YouTube account from your PS5. So what you want to do is, on your PS5, simply go to Settings. On the Settings page, go to Users and Accounts. And then here, simply scroll down to Link with Other Services, and then flick right, and then go to this menu and select YouTube. Now, as you can see, YouTube says linked right there on the right side, and that means there's a YouTube account linked. So select that. And you can see the YouTube account that is linked there. It's going to show just with the URL. So simply select Unlink Account, and from the confirmation it's going to say you'll lose all the features and benefits that you're enjoying by being linked, and confirm yes, unlink. And that's it. And now when you see the option to link account, it means there's no account linked, and that basically means you have unlinked your YouTube account from your PS5. Now I'll quickly go to the media section and check out the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app, and I can confirm that I've also been signed out from the YouTube app in the media section. And that's basically how to remove or unlink your YouTube account from your PS5. Unlinking your YouTube account basically also means signing out of your YouTube account from that PS5. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.